For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Over the last few weeks, South Indian states have seen a massive surge in COVID-19 cases. The pandemic situation in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, and Karnataka is worrying. The Andhra Pradesh government has undertaken strict measures to control the outbreak of the pandemic. The Andhra Pradesh government issued a fresh set of guidelines for quarantine of people entering the state. In its guidelines, Andhra Pradesh has categorized Telangana and Karnataka as high-risk states. Karnataka and Telangana were categorized as low risk, but latest statistics indicated that the infection rate in the two neighboring states was on the rise and hence they were now classified as high risk. As many as 661 people who came in from Telangana and Karnataka tested positive for COVID-19 after Unlock 1.0. This comes after Karnataka and Telangana saw a sharp spike in cases over the last few days. Karnataka has recorded almost 2,000 positive cases of COVID-19 every day over the last few days. Karnataka's COVID-19 tally reached 41,581 with 2,738 fresh cases being reported in the state. The total death toll in the state stands at 757 after 73 new deaths were recorded in the state. Telangana reported a total of 34,671 COVID-19 cases after 1,550 fresh infections were reported. Total number of deaths in Telangana stands at 365 after 37 fresh deaths were reported. The massive spike in cases in Karnataka and Telangana has led to their tag as high-risk states. Meanwhile, 150 interstate services to Bengaluru have been suspended in view of the lockdown. Andhra Pradesh has issued strict COVID-19 quarantine guidelines for interstate travelers. The Andhra Pradesh government has ordered strict home quarantine for all interstate travelers for 14 days. Only primary contacts of patients who tested positive will be given admission in quarantine centers. All primary contacts must undergo a 14-day mandatory quarantine. Foreign returnees will be tested for COVID-19 on the 5th or 7th day after their return. Andhra Pradesh has still restricted interstate traveling with a valid e-pass only. Also, 10% of people arriving in trains and domestic flights will be randomly tested. Passengers will be tested randomly at mobile test collection centers. Their electronic manifest will be collected as a record for reference and they must undergo 14-day home quarantine. Details of all domestic flyers and people entering the state by road will be collected. The Andhra Pradesh government too is mulling lockdown in certain regions in the state due to spike in infections. As of now, a lockdown has been imposed in Kakinada, urban and rural areas as part of containment strategy.